Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to prepare stir-fried asparagus with some ground beef. This recipe is inspired by the original recipe, a Sichuan style recipe which is green beans with ground pork. But today I want to substitute the green beans with asparagus and the pork with ground beef, and it's going to be Sichuan style. I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to my channel Taste of Asian Food. So let's get started. Cut off about 3 cm from the bottom, or snap it the bottom for each spear. Use the vegetable peeler to remove the tough, stringy exterior. And then cut the asparagus to the size of your choice. In this case, I'll cut each spear of asparagus into 3 sections for better presentation. Bring a pot of water to a boil. When it is boiling, add the asparagus into the water. Turn up the heat and then bring it to a boil as soon as possible. Blanch the asparagus for about a minute. At this point, the asparagus are nearly cooked. Then I'll remove the asparagus and transfer the asparagus to a pot of cold water to stop cooking. This method helped to preserve the vibrant color of the asparagus. Next, I remove the asparagus from the water and drain. Prepare some chopped garlic. And some ground beef. Let's do a recap of the ingredients that we need for this recipe. These are the blanched asparagus, chopped garlic, the ground beef, and the seasonings are oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, and the Sichuan chili oil, which is called Lau Gan Ma, an international brand. Now let's cook the beef. Put the ground beef into a pan, preferably a non-stick pan if you have one. Keep it at low heat so it will not stick onto the pan. If you do not have a non-stick pan, you can add just a little bit of oil. This method is called dry fry or gan bian in Chinese cooking. And it is something in between stir frying and toasting. So the goal is to bring out the flavor of the meat as much as possible. That's why we do not add any water and lots of oil. The color of the beef has already changed, but it's still a little bit wet, so I'll keep doing it. It will take probably about 5 to 7 minutes to really make it dry. It is a process of semi-toasting. Halfway cooking the beef, add the chopped garlic. Now the beef is already quite dry. It's now ended the process of toasting, as I said. Let it do it for a little while before I add the seasoning ingredients. Now it's time to add the seasoning ingredients. One by one, slowly. Do not want to wet it too much. This is sesame oil. And some light soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and the Sichuan chili oil Lau Gan Ma. Now return the blanched asparagus to the pan to mix together with the ground beef. The goal now is to mix the asparagus together with the beef, not really to cook the asparagus, as we are already blanched the asparagus. So it is important not to cook it for too long, otherwise the asparagus will be overcooked and the color will change. Add a little bit of salt if it is necessary. Mix, and it is time to remove it from the heat and to serve. A different way to cook asparagus with ground beef by applying the Sichuan cooking method, and I hope you will enjoy this special recipe. A different way to cook beef together with asparagus, and I hope you will love this recipe. I've included the recipe in the description below the video, so you can download or refer to it anytime. Please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.